the mind of the merchant, how psychology shaped ancient trade routes. Why would someone cross deserts, mountains, and empires just to deliver silk or spices? Because ancient merchants weren't just traders, they were master psychologists. They understood something powerful. People don't just buy products, they buy emotions. Scarcity has always been a secret weapon. Silk wasn't just a fabric, it was a symbol of power and privilege. Merchants knew this, so they limited its availability, not because of shortage, but to increase its value. When something is hard to get, it becomes more desirable. The fewer people who could own it, the more others wanted it. They didn't just sell silk, they sold exclusivity. Picture a crowded marketplace along the Silk Road. The smell of exotic spices fills the air. Bright fabrics shimmer under the sun. The sound of unfamiliar languages blends into a vibrant chorus. Everything is designed to awaken your senses. Merchants used colors, scents, sounds, and textures to create emotional responses. Buying became an experience, not just a transaction. This was ancient marketing at its finest. People didn't just want the goods, they wanted what those goods said about them. Silk from the East, spices from India, glassware from Rome. These weren't just items, they were status symbols. Owning something from a faraway land meant you had wealth, taste, and influence. This is the power of social proof. People follow prestige. If others admire it, desire it, or flaunt it, we want it to. But trade wasn't just built on luxury, it was built on trust. Merchants formed deep relationships across cultures. They gave gifts, respected traditions, and created networks of loyalty. They knew that long-term success depended on being reliable. In a world without banks, contracts, or insurance, trust was everything, and that trust turned distant strangers into business partners. Everything these ancient merchants did, the scarcity, the sensory appeal, the social proof, the trust, it's all still around us today. Brands use limited editions to boost demand. Stores are designed to smell a certain way. Influencers show us what to buy. Loyalty programs keep us coming back. It's the same psychology, just in modern packaging. The Silk Road may be a part of history, but its strategies are timeless, because at the core of commerce, across every era, is the same truth. We are emotional creatures. We want meaning. We seek status. We crave connection. And the best merchants, ancient or modern, are the ones who understand the mind of the buyer. So next time you see something you have to have, ask yourself, is it the product you want, or the feeling it gives you? If you found this fascinating, follow Saga, Great Ideas, where ancient wisdom inspires modern success.